Howdy y'all, Zeus here. I got another unboxing, and this one's pretty epic. It was a total surprise, and I can't thank the guy enough. He's a great YouTuber, he's got a great channel, and he said, hey, how would you like this? And I was like, absolutely, thank you. You know, like that's too awesome. But here we go. I've been trusty old Garberg here. I've been watching this guy's, there we go. Been watching this guy's channel for quite a while. I don't comment as much as I used to, but I do definitely watch his channel, and I've been watching it pretty much since he started. I want to say, or since I found him. He didn't have very many subs, and I was a big supporter of his channel, and I really like his style. He doesn't claim to be an expert or nothing, and he shares his experiences, and he has a lot of unique experiences that a lot of people might not appreciate, but he shares them with everybody. And the other day he said, how would you like a precision Mosin stock? And I said, I would love a precision Mosin stock, mixflip. If y'all are not subscribed to mixflip on YouTube, I suggest you go check it out. He's got a great channel. He's got a lot of different videos, and he gets into a lot of neat stuff. This is incredible. This is beyond awesome. I just got a Mosin not too long ago, and I've definitely been wanting to do some upgrades and try some different stuff out, and I'd like to get a few more Mosins and trick those out, and this is gonna be awesome, very awesome. See, we got an Archangel precision Mosin stock, the 10 round mag. Looks like we got all kinds of cool stuff that goes on down in there. I like it. I definitely like it. Cool, man. Thank you, mixflip. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. 7.62 by 54R. Very cool. Well, that is a precision Mosin stock, and I'm in shock. Thanks again, mixflip. You're the man. Zeus, out. Very, very cool. Got an extra 10 round magazine. Front side off, take off that ring. Do a little bit of work down here. See it a little bit better. Pretty awesome. Very, very cool. That's a 1928 Mosin to go. The heck, Sparrow. Yeah.